Ko te ware o ngā tiruanui e ware waka ruru au i ngā kaumātua. Kua aro mātai atu a tātou kaumātua ki te ao o te angarau. Tonu mai o tēnei pūrongo. Ka i ko te māti o te ao angarau ki roto i te unga paake.
We recognise that a lot of our schools weren't providing for our rangatahi in the futuristic sense and digital sense. So we set this up, and in fact I'd come back from Stanford and I saw a whole lot of knuckle that was going on over there, and we thought, our kids are hautotu, they're really clever, they can go away overnight and learn a whole kapahaka bracket. The ability to do things is massive. So we came back and tono to the iwi to set this up, and it was supported. It was an easy decision. And then as we've gone along, we sort of realised that actually the world's continuing to change for our paake, where you can't get checks. You've got to learn how to do digital banking. They are at risk of being hacked. They are at risk of being sold the wrong tool. COVID showed us, how isolating our pāhaka can be. And so we just turned it upside down and decided that what we teach the rangatahi and the tamariki needs to be taught to the kaumātua.
E kaupapa i pua wai mai I runga I te ia, kia wanake ai ko ngā uri ki ngā uatanga o te ao angarau. Nā ko nā, I pii ai te wakaro ki te wakatere I tētei akomanga mō te unga paake. Anei rā, ko ona ua.
It was something that came out of our kaumātua group. They do a lot of activities and stuff during the week that they requested to have computer tech Friday mornings just to 10 to 12 to give them basic computer skills, emails. They also want to do online banking, which will get the reps from each bank to come in and teach them what they need to know, because checks are going out and they're the generation of checks.
E waka wanake ake I ngā pūkenga o te unga paake ki te ao mati iko.
Just the basic how to turn on and turn off the computers. And last week we were into learning the basic concerning the Gmail. I had the basic idea on where to apply how to respond in regard to the Gmail. So I'm enjoying it.
Ko te waka witi kōrero mā te I mērā, tētei o ngā mai, kua matomata mai te unga nei.
I normally send an email to my farmer, and that's how they know, like if they want to know what's happening, or things like that, and I just go an email and send it to them, and mainly on my email.
The 5 weeks I've been here, they said, no, you're pretty good. I said, no, I'm not. Learned how to send emails, receive emails, put stuff away so that we can find them later.
Ka koa ngē ana te tai ao wako, ki ngā mea au, ka akona e rātou.
Actually, it's really lovely to see our kaumātua who normally lead everything at the marae at Karakia and kaupapa, having to be on the back seat and the rangatahi on the front.
Ka mātua te kaupapa I te akotai a te paake me tāna mokopuna.
The most important thing is the strengthening of us, as whanaunga, is the interconnection of us intergenerationally. And like we do on the marae, where everyone knows their place, and actually letting our kaumātua know that their place here in the modern world, in the digital world, is beside us as well.
Ko te wawata ia, kia wanake ai ko ngā pūkenga o te ao angarau, ki roto I tēnā o tēnei kāui. Aroha Broughton Pui, te reo o te uru.